Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna review this police boot. It's a Nike Special Forces Boot Field 2 8-inch. It's a brand new boot and retails for $170. I will show you how I'm going to shine this boot using a leather luster. I know some of you hate using a leather luster to shine your boots, but it just works for me because I can't pay like, I don't know, $8 to $10 every time to get a spit shined. And I try to spit shine my boots and it's very difficult, so I'm not gonna do that. I know my limits, so I will shine it. Anyways, this is what it looks like. It's brand new. This is, I think, the third generation. The first two generations I had both, and the problem was it was very slippery on the bottom. So I think this boot fixes that issue. But I mean, it looks awesome. It's very lightweight. I'll measure that compared. I'll make another video regarding that. But it's the side. This nice logo touch right here and here. Here also. This is the inside side view and the front. See, I also like the stitching because the older generation ones, it peeled back, so I had to glue it. You know, I buy these, it's not a permanent boots. It's just, I wear it for maybe a year and then I replace them. And it has the insoles. That's the tread pattern. It's really aggressive. There's a little lip, it goes up. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a leather luster. It's very easy to use. Okay, so first to prepare, I'm gonna remove the laces. Okay, so I removed the laces and I'm gonna wear the gloves. Okay. This is new, so I'll shake it around. Okay, I got the compressed air to get the dust out. Okay, so first I'm gonna get a fine sandpaper, 400 grit. And I'm just gonna wipe it down because at least I'm gonna give the boot a little bit of a texture. So it doesn't really, you can't really see it, but okay, so let's shake that up. Anyways, I used the jar opener to open this, man. It was like stuck. So it already has a built-in brush. Maybe I'll just use this. Yeah, so you dab it a little bit. Okay. Okay, so this is what I've been so far. I've been just brushing it. Trying not to get the leather luster paint on the rubber edge. And then all the bubbles will be taken out by compressed air. So I'm gonna focus it and then try to get this going. This is a brand new boot, so I don't want to ruin it too much. See, for example, say I messed up. Say I messed this up. You know what? It's only $170. If you, I mean, some people, that might be a lot of money, but if you're a police officer, it's not. So I mean, I'm just saying, it's big money, but still, you don't have to stress out and fucking cry about it. Oh shit, I messed up right there. I didn't want to paint it there, so I'll just get that little rag and just wipe it down. It's that easy. That's it. Just wipe it down, it's gone. Doing this video because some people wanted to see how I do it. You know, they do their own also, and they're experts at it. I guess they wanted to see how other people do it too on YouTube. And maybe for new police officers, you can kind of maybe see this video and kind of mimic what I do and just make it better. That's all. If you have a drip, you just have to fix it. That's all. It takes about hour, no, maybe more to dry. So I might not even able to finish it today. Okay, so I think that's it for now. Sure. What do you think? By the way, I miss my classmates. It's been a long time since we all saw each other. So hopefully we have a reunion and everybody just meet up for maybe, you know, lunch or light dinner and drinks. Okay, so that's that. That's level 1. I'm gonna just let it dry and work on the second boot. I think this is a fall leather. Fall means fake leather. All these French words, you know, they don't pronounce the last letter of the word, like buffet with a T, or like Grand Prix, it should be pricks with an X, but they don't say that. Valet, it's not valet. Bordeaux, what else? Fall, should be fox, but whatever. Oh man, and I think the cold is going around multiple strands. So first I had a headache and stuffy eyes, I guess. You know, like how your eyeball feels pain. So I took Dayquil and NyQuil, and after maybe a day, I got better. Then another coworker brought in another strand of cold. Then this time it's different. It's stuffy nose, fever, I'm feeling cold. The California right now, weather's like 85, it's really hot. When I heard today, Chicago had an Arctic blast where the airplane skid off the runway and almost crashed. Thank God, you know, that no one got hurt. Man, and also, like, I don't know how other officers from different parts of the world with extreme heat and extreme cold work, because you know I work in California, so weather it's fairly tamed here. You know, there's no snow. You know, there's no extreme heat here. It looks nice. So I didn't shine this part because I like that different look. And soon I'm gonna put a Danner's zipper system here. That Danner's zipper system is about $30. I'll probably take it off from my other boot that I currently wear. Yeah, I didn't even get to use this. Why did I buy this? So guys, you don't need this. Don't buy it. Okay, so it's getting dried, but see, you see a little bit of a run right there. Every other place is normal, so let's make this really dry. I'll fix that real quick. It's hard to see. Like I said, you know, if you mess up, you know, don't feel bad. I'm gonna let it dry and I'll come back in maybe an hour and then finish it up and apply second coat. Okay, so it's been about 30 minutes. Pretty good. It's just with one coat. See, you don't have to clean it or strip it or nothing like that. It just works. Okay, so don't waste your time. So I just applied the second coat. If you see a bubble drying, you gotta pop that or use like compressed air to like shoot it like that. You see? If there's a little bubble here, you just shoot it and it will go away. It'll pop it. You just have to shoot it lightly. Anyways, so it has a little bit of a drip here, right? You gotta fix that before it dries. Like right here. That's the bubble right here. You just move it around and it's gone. Then after it dries a little bit, I'm gonna take it to the garage, and I think I'm just gonna do 2 coats. It looks pretty good. See, it's a different shine than that. See, that's why you gotta apply more coats. See, it's still sticky. Okay, so I applied the second coat. I just applied it so it didn't dry yet, but there you go. It's pretty shiny. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video, and you know, anybody can do this, so you don't have to pay $180 for people to do apply leather luster to your gear, either Sam Brown, all your gears, or your boot. My Sam Brown, I apply exactly same way. I use rougher sandpaper to get rid of my older leather luster, then I reapply 2 coats. So anyways, I will do a review of comparison video between the Gen 1 Nike Special Forces boot compared to Gen 3 Nike Special Forces boot, and this is the newest one. Thank you, and see you next time.